Here we are, Anthony again from Rotelle's, and as you remember, we started this house in the beginning of April. And here we are, it's July 20th today, and the house is 1 week away from settlement. So what we're here to do today is just take a look around the house as they get ready for that final cleaning and touch-up. So as you can see, the house is in really good shape. At this point, again, we're a week away from settlement. The cabinets, everything is in place, and the team right now is going to be walking through the house to look at all the fine detail. They'll be taking a close look at the walls, the trim, the cabinetry, to make sure that everything is adjusted and looks perfect. The outside has been graded, the straw is down. We're going to take a look at how that grade is in a little bit when we go outside. So you see the kitchen has turned out beautifully. We have a huge island in here, beautiful cabinetry, amazing backsplash. All in all, this is just a fantastic kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. Here we are in the foyer, getting ready to take a look upstairs. As you can see, this customer did a beautiful job in their foyer as well. We had the upgraded spindles, which look fantastic, and the darker stain on the railings. All of it turned out beautiful. I'm excited to go upstairs and take a look at the master bath. The master bath looks amazing. I mean, beautiful cabinet, beautiful countertop selections. Love the faucets. The tub also turned out great. Once again, a great tile selection. And they have this unbelievable master shower, which is just fantastic. Here we are in the basement where all the mechanical systems are. Over here we have our 200 amp electric panel. Everything's been labeled and is ready to go. Next to that, we have our hot water heater, 50 gallon Bradford white hot water heater, thermal expansion tank. Everything is set up, except you adjust your temperature right at the bottom. We have our PEX plumbing system. This allows us to actually turn on and off anything in the house. A single faucet can be shut off from right here. We have our Carrier heating and air conditioning system, all high efficiency equipment, perfectly done. This one is a propane gas system. Next to that, we have our well tank. This will supply the water to the home. This is a pressurized tank that helps push the water through the home. And next to that, we have our sump pit. This is the pit where we would attach a sump pump for taking any water out of this basement area. So there's all the major mechanical systems in this home. Everything, as you can see, is really neat and ready to go. Here's a shot of the front elevation of this home. It looks fantastic. And as you can see, we've already done our grading around the home, or the fine grading. We have our straw down over top of the grass seat. You'll notice one of the important things we do is to make sure we have a good grade going around the house, which means a place for that water to travel so it doesn't get against the foundation. And here we've cut our swale in through the front yard, and it wraps right around the backyard. Beautifully done job on the grading as well as the exterior elevation of this home. So here we are behind the home. Again, this is a walkout lot, and wow, doesn't that look amazing? We have 3 stories almost out of the ground back here. Again, this is a walkout lot, so the whole back of the home becomes exposed, especially that foundation or where the basement is. This customer's done a beautiful job with a walkout glass door and a twin window off to the side, and the grade here just worked perfectly for a walkout. We've also put a deck ledger board in. This particular customer has asked us to prep for a future deck. So as you can see, that band board that we placed in there is for where we attach the band board has been installed for a future deck the customer will be building at a later date.